Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, with the introduction of the new financial year, there is a confusion between the individuals that whether to opt for the old tax slab or the new tax slab. So, we'll see the difference in old tax slab and new tax slab, but before that, let us see what are the tax rate of old tax slab and the new tax slab. So, if your income is in between 0 to 2.5 lakhs, the tax rate is 0%. If your income is in between 2.5 to 5 lakhs and the net taxable income is less than 5 lakhs, then it's 0%. If your income is in between 2.5 to 5 lakhs and the net taxable income is more than 5 lakhs, then you'll have to pay a taxes of 5%. If it is in between 5 to 10 lakhs, it will be 20%. If it is more than 10 lakhs, it will be 30%. This is the old tax slab. Now coming to the new tax slab, if your income is in between 0 to 3 lakhs, you'll have to pay a tax rate of 0%. If your income is in between 3 to 6 lakhs and the net taxable income is less than 7 lakhs, it's 0%. If your income is in between 3 to 6 lakh and the net taxable income is more than 7 lakhs, it is 5%. If your income is in between 6 to 9 lakh and the net taxable income is less than 7 lakh, it's 0%. If your income is in between 6 to 9 lakhs and the net taxable income is more than 7 lakhs, you'll have to pay a tax rate of 10%. If your income is in between 9 to 12 lakhs, is 15%. If your income is in between 12 to 15 lakhs, is 20%. And if it is more than 15 lakhs, it's 30%. So this is the difference between the old tax slab and the new tax slab. Now, which one to choose? That entirely depends upon your income. So let us see an example. So in this case, we are considering the 80C deduction, which is up to 1,50,000, and 80D deduction, which is up to 25,000. We are calculating. So this is an example. If your income is 2,50,000, the standard deduction of 50,000 applies both for old and new tax regime. So in this case, your tax slab, the tax that you will have to pay is 0 in both old and new regime. If it is 3 lakhs, then also you have to pay 0 tax in both the cases. Now coming down to the case where your income is 6 lakhs. So in both the cases, you will be getting a 50% standard deduction. Now, if you don't claim any further extra deduction in old tax slab, then your tax will be 22,500. But in new tax slab, it's 0. Whatever calculation we have shown it here, we have not considered health and educational cess. So it will be a few more money. So if your income is 6 lakhs, you are getting 50,000 standard deduction, and if you are making an extra deduction of 50,000, like you can invest in 80C or 80D, then it will be 0 in the old tax slab also. If your income is 7,50,000 and you are making a full deduction like 80C of 1,50,000 and 25,000 for 80D, in that case, in the old tax slab, your taxes will be 17,500, but in the new tax slab, it will be 0. For 8,50,000, again, you can see for the old tax slab, it will be 3,700 rupees, 37,500 rupees, and in the new tax slab, it is 35,000. So if you are just claiming till 1,75,000 deduction, that is the extra deduction in old tax regime, then your taxes will be more. Now let us see an example where you have bought a house or flat and you are claiming for extra 2 lakh rupees as a interest payout on home loan. So here also we have not considered health and educational cess. So if your income is 8,50,000, so this for the standard deduction, we are deducting 50,000. Extra deduction in which 2 lakhs is for the interest payout on home loan, and 1,75,000 out of 1,75,000, 1,50,000 is for 80C and 25,000 for 80D. In that case, you can see for the old tax slab is 0 and for the new tax slab is 35,000. If your income is 9,50,000, for the old tax slab it will be 17,500, but for the new tax slab it will be 45,000. For 12 lakhs, it for 12 lakhs income in the old tax slab it will be 45,000 and in the new tax slab it will be 80,000. For 15 lakhs it will be 1,35,000 for the old tax slab and for the new tax slab it's 1,40,000. For 18 lakhs of income value it will be 2,25,000 for the old tax slab and 2 lakhs for the new tax slab. This is an example where we have considered the interest payout on home loan. So you can see the differences of old tax slab as well as the new tax slab. Now it's up to you that which one you want to select. This is just an illustration that I have shown you. You in internet you can find several other documents where you can actually calculate. You will get some calculator also, so you can calculate your desired amount and you can check which one is better for you. Thanks guys for watching this video.